Hey there, and welcome back to the Nail Chronicle. This week I'm here doing a Harmony Day themed design. So Harmony Day is about a celebration of diversity and different cultures and people, and the theme for the color theme for this event is orange. There's normally one key day, but the events quite often span across the entire week. So I started out with the orange nail polish just to see where this design would take me. I wasn't sure what I was going to do with the nail art, or maybe I was just going to leave it as orange, but given that it sort of clashes with my skin tone quite a lot, I knew that I needed to add something just to sort of detract from the orange a little bit away from my skin tone. So this polish that I'm applying here is the It color. It's an OPI polish. On the screen, yeah, it does look very mustardy. You'll just have to trust me, in real life it is more of an orange sort of color. It's definitely not that yellow mustard. I then moved on to using a Kawaii Minology stamping plate. This one's got like love hearts and cutesy kind of images on it, and I thought it would make a really cute design for the Harmony Day theme that I was going with. I was kind of struggling with what images I would put on it, and so it wasn't until my nails had actually dried that I sort of selected the stamping plate. The images on my right hand, I tended to stick towards more of the love hearts, and I chose a couple of little like full-size nail images and a few smaller ones that went down to the bottom of my nail as well. I really like the one on my thumb, which is a sort of 3 like love heart balloons. They're really cute, and it is one of my favorite images on the plate, besides one of the ones that I've used on my left hand. So on my left hand, I decided to go with like more of a mix of images. So I picked two like tea themed related images, and so I mixed these in with the love hearts just to create a little bit of variety and balance. And I actually really loved how the left hand turned out, and I wish I did my right hand in the same way as well. My favorite image out of the left hand was actually the little teacup with the sugar cubes. It's such a cute image, and I have reverse stamped this one before, and the whole plate is definitely reverse stampable, and it's a lot of fun to use, so it is one of my favorite plates. I then moved on and just kept stamping along the images, including this cute ice cream cone butterfly thing. It's a bit of a hybrid, until I was happy with the way the images turned out. I did have one little mishap on my right hand, and so just as I'd finished the stamping, I looked down and noticed that I had damaged one of my nails. I don't know how I did this. I think one of my other nails must have just clonked it, and it hadn't quite set. Luckily I was able just to smooth it back over, because the nail polish was still soft. I had a smudge-free top coat, so that was a Minology branded one, and then just a quick dry top coat. Sometimes if you're having trouble with your polishes drying, you can add a quick dry top coat, and that will help it set, particularly if you're just waiting for that last little bit to happen. But you still need to be careful because it can still be soft underneath, and that's where the damage can happen. I generally try and be really careful for at least the first hour after I've painted my nails, just to make sure that I don't cause any damage and that it has really well set, and it won't move anywhere. So this is my Harmony Day nail art design. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you're having a good week, and for those celebrating Harmony Day, I hope you enjoy the celebrations. Thank you so much for watching, and until we see each other next week, bye!